Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here to share this cute little project with you that I created. I actually had it done a couple days ago, but haven't had a chance to film it. And then I had to figure out how to film it because it's a little big for the camera. I wanted to be sure you could see the entire project as a whole before I did the up closes. Anyway, I followed a tutorial for this. It's called Market Stand. And this was created by Christiane's Crafty Adventures. Hey, Christiane. Cute project. I love it. Anyway, she did a tutorial for this, and I will link that down below for you. And she showed how to make this. She based it off of an SVG file, but she didn't use an SVG. She just made her own measurements and created it that way. And she was kind enough to share it with us. I think it's adorable. You could use this project for any occasion. She did one for a birthday that was super adorable. You could do holidays and put gifts in there. You could use this for display in your craft room, or you could send it out in Happy Mail if you chose to do that. It would be a little hard to wrap up, but I'm sure you could figure it out. We're all crafty and we can do stuff like that. Also, you could hand gift it to someone, which would be super cute. You could fill it with little candies at Christmas time. It's just a plethora of things you could do with it. So anyhow, what this basically is created from is she used a foam board, and foam board can be found at Dollar Tree. What it is it's a piece of poster board sandwiched with foam and then another piece of poster board. So there, that makes that up. This is $1. You get a huge sheet, and I'm telling you, with one sheet, you probably could make, I don't know, maybe 5 of these or less. I'm not sure, but you could make quite a few with one sheet of foam board. So anyway, the other thing that you use, of course, is you use scrapbook paper for the shelving and the little boxes that are in the shelves. And I use the infamous Snow and Cocoa collection, which I adore. I have a lot of it in my collection, so I figured I'd want to make this one out of that. So basically what it is, it has these 3 tiers right here, and each one has a little box. Now, depending on how you decorate the front of it will determine how you pull out those boxes. Mine come out from the back because I wanted to embellish the front a lot, and I didn't want to worry about, oh, I can't pull the box out, so I have to use small stuff. I wanted big stuff. So that's what I did. So anyway, the other difference between mine and the one she did was I added a topper to mine, a little stand cover, and I wanted it to look like a stand out in winter. So it'll say up here, I'll pull this closer in a minute, skate rental. So I have a pair of little skates there that were created with this particular cottage cut die, as were these mittens that are over here, which I'll bring closer for you to see as well. I also added on that level a sticker that says boats, mittens, coat, scarf, that came from, the ephemera. And then this little charm dangle right here, it's a snowflake. I used a Karen Burnson die for that. It's this one right here. And I basically used this one and I cut it out twice and sandwiched it and then added a jump ring. These are so cute because they have, they're meant to make little charms out of them. So they already come with the little hanging thing there. So that's what I used there. Anyhow, continuing on, I have a felt rosette that I made here. I put a piece of ephemera, let it snow. Oh, there's trim back there too. There's trim here. I've gold stitched everywhere, and I'll again bring it closer for you in a moment. The ephemera, where did I put that ephemera? Here it is. Because of the size of this, you have to use smaller ephemera. Well, I happen to have this, which I picked up on AliExpress a long time ago, so I don't even know if I have the link, but if I can find it, I will post it. Anyhow, this is a mini version of Snow and Cocoa, which is perfect for projects like this because everything is shrunk down in size, as you can see there. So again, let's continue down. There's some trim. I added some gold beading along here because it was white and I didn't really want that, so I did that. Oh, these are stickers from the Puffy Sticker collection. There's some straws back there. These are the die cuts. That's from the die cut collection. That little snowman is from the die cut collection. I have trim in the background there, in the background. And then, okay, I'm going to bring this closer because I really want you to see some detail on this. So this, first of all, this little snow bucket, I went online, I found a photograph of a snow bucket and I printed it, I cut it out, and then I kind of glued it on here with a curve and filled it with the snowballs because I just thought that was so appropriate for this market stand. And then I also did, let me see if I could show you. I don't know how to sew worth beans. I think I did okay for not knowing, but I gold stitched everywhere. I stitched around here. I'm going to turn this around so you can see the back of this because it is cute in the back, and I did gold stitch on my shelves, and these little things, just you pick them up and they come out this way. I'm not going to do that on camera, it's too crazy. But anyway, I continued the gold trim around the back because I just wanted that. Whoops, there went an element. Sorry about that. Anyway, I didn't decorate the sides, although you could. She did on hers. So let me keep going around for you. And I'm going slow so you can kind of take a look. And then here's those, oh, something's in my way. There's those tiny little mittens that I showed you that I used. The charm is there, the skates, and it's just an adorable, adorable project. It comes together so quickly. You could finish this, I'm trying to move my snowballs. You could finish this probably within an hour. So anyway, there you go. I hope you give it a try. It's a lot of fun to make. And again, you don't need any special files or anything. You just follow the measurements she gives you, and there you go. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this project. And until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.